NICo Chatbot is a mobile application which provides procurement information in an instant. It is based on the 25 frequently asked questions which we get from the President's Office. These questions normally comes from external parties, in which NICo Chatbot becomes very useful in order to answer those questions whenever any ad hoc requirements arising. Prior to NICo Chatbot go live, the risk assessment has been performed by cybersecurity team, and there were cybersecurity vulnerabilities surfaced which can lead to a loss of competitive advantage due to data leakage, inaccurate decision making due to incorrect data, reputational damage, PDPA or GDPR fines, and even contractual implications due to leakage of supplier competitive data. So, to proactively protect NICo Chatbot from cybersecurity attack, there was some risk treatment plan identified and agreed to be implemented by the system owner and by the risk owner, such as the implementation of the mobile device management solution or even multi-factor authentication, encryption and others. The implementation of the mitigation plans will actually reduce the likelihood and impact of cybersecurity risk to NICo Chatbot respectively. In conclusion, cybersecurity risk assessment is very important to protect PETRONAS assets from cybersecurity attacks. And cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, and together we keep PETRONAS safe.